السلام عليكم ازيكم I'm Salwa Kamel qualified from Cambridge University وحشتوني جدا بحبكم قوي. طبعا السؤال اللي احنا نزلناه على الصفحة بتاعتي أو صفحة S.Teaching كان السؤال من امتحانات الباس بيبر. الهدف من السؤال إن إحنا ندرب الطالب to train him how to work without to chalk. يعني in the exam the student become when see any new idea they become picky or become chalk or they have something in their mind, then they stop to thinking and they said the exam is very difficult and the questions is very difficult. Today I'm going to train you how to think when you see the question, how to think and how to find the way of the solution. Our question was about the solve for x and y, and he gave it you 4 to the power x plus y is equal to 64 and 2 to the power 2x minus y is equal to 127. When I saw this question is coming from the previous exam in RGC and Excel also, and also for AS you will take these questions also, but you are going to solve it with the logarithm. But this today I'm going to solve it with the algebraic way. The first thing, so when you have this question, you will see here I have power. So my mind coming, this is the equation of the indices. So what is the rule of the indices here? The rule is called, when I have a power equation, it's called when the base equal البيز, then the power is equal to the power. So my thing here, this is the rules. Also the opposite is correct. If the power equal power, so the base equal L base. So my thing here, x where the unknown variable, you wanted to solve it in the power. So my thinking to go for how to make the base equal base. How to make a base equal base. This is the first thing. The second, I have to solve for x and y. When I saw this is solve for x and y, this meaning I have simultaneous equation. This meaning I have to construct two equations and to solve both of them at the same time to find the value of x and the value of y. What is the base and what is the power? When I'm going to a to the power n, we call it here a is the base and n is the power. So when the base equal base, so the power is equal to the power. Let's go for how to solve these questions. First, I'm going to take the two equations to solve them as a power. He gave it to me 4 to the power x plus y is equal to 64. And also the other one is 2 to the power 2x minus y is equal 128. So I'm going to start to solve the first one. I have here, I wanted to find how to make 64 to be the base are equals. I can convert 4 into 2 to the power, so I'm going to search about it 64 to be 2 to the power what, or also I can solve it by this way. I'm going to write here 4 x plus y, and I'm going by calculator or by this magic, because some students they told me we don't know how to find easy. This is the easiest way to find it. I wanted the base equal 4. So 64 divided by 4, it will be 16. 16 divided by 4 is 4. And 4 divided by 4 is 1. So how many 4 I have? I have 1, 2, 3. So it will be 4 to the power 3. Now, what is the equation I have here? The equation, the first one, it will be x plus y is equal to 3. This is the first equation I constructed now. Now for the other side, I'm going to do the same. I have here 2 to the power 2x minus 3. So I'm going to factorize the 128 to 2 to the power what? So I'm going to do the same way. I will take 128 divided by 2 because I need the basis 2. So I have here 6 and 4. So divided by 2, it will be 3 and 2, and divide by 2, it will be 1 and 6, and divide by 2, it will be 8. Divide by 2, 8, it will be 4. 4 divided by 2 is 2, and 2 divided by 2 is 1. So how many 2 I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have 2 to the power 7. As I told you, you know, you can do it by calculator, or if you don't know, you can do it by this way. It will be easy for you. So I have here the base equal base, then the power, it will be equal the power. So the second equation, 2x minus y is equal to 7, and this is the second equation. Now I have two equations. I wanted to solve both of them to find the value of x and y. So I'm going to solve it with simultaneous equation. I'm going to put the first one as we found it, x plus y is equal to 3. And the second equation, 2x minus y is equal to 7. You can solve the two simultaneous equations by elimination or by substitution. Which method is easy for you, go ahead, no problem. I'm going to solve by elimination because it's easy now to eliminate the y. I have plus y and negative y. So by adding, I will eliminate the y. So x plus 2x, it will be 3x is equal to 10. Now to solve to find the value of x, so divide by 3 for the both side. So x, it will be equal 10 over 3, and this is the value of x. Now I need to find the value of y. To find y, it will be, I'm going to choose any one of them, so I'm going to substitute in it. So I'm going to choose here the easiest one, x plus y is equal to 3. Substitute with the value of x, 10 over 3 is plus y is equal to 3. So y, it will be equal 3 minus 10 over 3 because I take the fraction to the other side. So y, it will be equal minus 1 over 3 because here it will be 9 over 3, so it will be minus 1 over 3, and this is, it will be the final solution for my equation. Also, if you wanted to check your answer, I can check my answer if I'm correct or not. So for example, I'm going to take x plus y is equal to 3. I'm going to check if the left side equal the right side or not. So x, it is 10 over 3 plus y is negative 1 over 3. So the sum of them, it will be equal to 3 if you solve it. So the left side equal right side. So I'm correct. Yani inside the exam, you can check your answer also and give for yourself the full mark. These questions, he didn't asking about the final solution. He wanted to test your knowledge in how to know the equation, the knowledge about the equation of the power, the rule, do you know the rule and how to apply in it, and also how to solve simultaneous equation and to find the final answer. So please, when you solve like this equations, you have to go through the steps, not only to give him the final answer. You will miss a lot because each method or each method you have, or each steps you have, it will take marks on it. So you will lose a lot of marks if you give him the final answer only. يبقى احنا كده we learned how to work about the question and with our two panic or without to afraid. This is my target here. I need from all of you, please, when you have any questions, a new question or new tricky question, don't think it is difficult. Say to yourself, I can do it. Just only think about which rule apply for this. So when you recall the rules in your mind about the topics, so you will understand where and how you can solve these questions. So I hope from all of you, you get it how to solve this question and what the answer. And thanks for all the student give me the answer, but I need next time to give me the answer on the page because I need all of you to participate and to work with me. Have a nice day and thank you. بحبكم جدا وانتظروني في another questions إن شاء الله with the tricky new questions. Thank you. Bye bye.